Hi everyone, good morning or good evening. Welcome to the seventh edition of the IEEE International Smart Cities Conference. My name is Sufyan Jahel. I am the general co-chair of the conference, and I'm glad to walk you through the different features of our conference virtual platform. So you have all received the email I have sent to you with the link to access the Engage platform. So all what you have to do is to copy that link here to the address bar of the browser, and then you will have the welcome to ISC2 2021. Here you have to sign in by using your email address. Just make sure that you use the email address you have used for the registration to the conference. And input your password if you have already received it. If you didn't receive your password yet, very simple, you just click on create or update password. So I open it in a new tab. So all what I have to do is to provide your email address and click email me a new password. You should receive an automatic email with a new password. Okay. Then you just uh, input that email and password here and hit the enter button, and you will log into the platform. So when you log in into the platform, so the first page is the home page here. You will see this menu: agenda, social lounge, proceedings, and paper session videos. You will also see on the right panel here the announcements, which is usually the upcoming 3 sessions, like here. And then under that, you will have direct access to the conference proceeding. Starting with the agenda. So the agenda simply is the same thing as the program at glance here that you can see in the website. So it's the schedule of the different sessions. You will have the time. So all the times here by default are shown as the bridge summertime. So you can filter here what you want to see, all tracks. So you see the schedule from the first day till the last session on the last day, closure and award ceremony. So when you click on any session here, let's say special session, responsible digital transformation for smart cities, you will see the papers, list of papers to be presented, or the list of talks to be delivered in this session. You will see the time of the session. You can change the time zone. So 11:25 or the US time. Okay. And you can in advance add the schedule of the event into your calendar. You can choose whatever, Outlook, iCall, or Google Calendar. You click here, you will download the file, and then you open it in your uh, calendar client, and it will be added to your calendar. Okay, so you will see a button here 15 minutes before the start of every session, and that button, when you click on it, you will be able to access the Zoom session, and you will access to more information about this session. I will show you quickly here. I have to change my role to administrator. And then for this session, I will see the attend button. So I click on attend. You will see this. You will have another button to join the webinar. And you will have also the resources. In the resources, you will find the content of the technical papers to be presented in every session. So click on view. Then you will be able to see the content of the paper page by page. You can also download it, download the whole paper, save it, etc., and so on. Okay. So now if you click on join the webinar now, of course, the session is scheduled 4 days later. So I will open the Zoom meetings. And the webinar is scheduled for 7/9/2021. Okay. So I will go back to my role as a member, which is the role that every attendee will have. So here in the agenda, you can also filter what you see. If you are interested only to smart health and well-being sessions, you click here. There is only one session. You can add it to your calendar if you want. If you are interested only to the keynotes, you can also display them, and then you see which one is more interesting, or if they are all interesting to you, you can add them to your calendar here. Okay. So I think the agenda is clear now how to navigate. This is just about the speaker. So if you are interested to the speech of Professor Hani Mahmasani, you can just choose his name. Now back to home. So second uh, thing is the proceedings, how to access the proceedings. You just click here. Then you will have the content of all the papers organized session by session. Session 1, 11, scroll down, session 2, 3, etc. If I am interested to look at the papers of session 2, just click open folder. I have the 4 papers. And then view, you will see the content of the paper and so on. You can download it as well if you want. Then click on back here. You have also the possibility to download the whole proceeding, which means all the papers to be presented during the conference, which are 86 technical papers. You can open the folder here, IEEE IC2 2021 conference proceeding, view, and then download. It is around 230 megabyte file folder. Okay, so home. Also, you have the opportunity to watch the presentation of all the papers in advance if you want. So paper session videos, organized session by session, so 17 sessions. For example, I'm interested to session 7, open folder. I will see the 5 presentations. You can click on any one of them and then you just run the video here. Now, one of the options is to, we are trying to imitate the real interaction between the participants during physical conference, where we have sessions and then there is coffee break between every 2 sessions, which can last between 15 minutes to half an hour, while people will have the opportunity to meet for networking and establish collaborations and so on. So we have done similar thing here in the social lounge here. So we click. What we can see as a participant, I can see how many attendees are attending the conference. So far, we have 174 researchers. I can also filter the attendee based on their research expertise, based on their affiliation, based on their country, and so on. So I click here, search, and then you can search by name. For example, if I want to search for my friend Rosaldo, just Rosaldo, and then go. So I can see Rosaldo here, his affiliation. I can send a message to Rosaldo, just type something, attach to my card and send. I can also book a meeting with Rosaldo and I can propose to him the duration, also different times, option 1, option 2, and send. So he will receive it in his email and he will either accept or decline the meeting invitation. You can also search his profile on LinkedIn. In addition to that, if Rosaldo, for example, is online now, like Victor is online, so I can start a video call with him. But of course, you cannot start video call with everyone unless the receiving person will accept your call. Otherwise, you cannot start a video call with him. So besides searching by name, you have different options as well. You can search by company name. For example, University of Guadalajara. We have Guillermo, we have Veronica, and we have Josie, for example. Title, professor, graduate student, associate professor, PhD student. If you are PhD student and you are interested to meet PhD students, for example, at similar career stage, you just click on PhD student, you will see their names here. And then click on the dash to remove the filter. You can search by industry as well. And the most important is the research interest. So if you are working on machine learning, you want to see who else is interested to machine learning, you click on machine learning. You will see that Anna is interested to machine learning. You might be interested to contact her and so on. Also, after attending technical session, you might be interested to talk more about a given contribution. So you can search for the name of the presenter and send him an email or book an appointment to talk to him or send him some questions, for example, and so on. Okay. So in this way, we are trying to imitate physical conference as much as we can. So in order to make this networking or interaction effective, I would request everyone to update his profile as soon as you log into the platform. You just click on your here profile and then edit profile. So here you can provide all the information about your organization, job title, and most importantly, your research interest. It's very simple. For example, IoT here, just I type the word, and then when you finish, hit the return key, and it is add. You can also provide your Twitter account information, Skype, and so on. And at the bottom, just click submit. I think that's all. That's all what you need to use the platform in easy and efficient manner. So remember, you have 4 windows: agenda, social lounge, proceedings, paper session videos. You can uh, add the schedule of any session to your calendar. So in case you forget to attend it or whatever, and you have all the presentation recorded and available here to watch in advance if you want. So that's all. Uh, I would like again to thank you for submitting your work to IEEE ISC2 2021 and for registering as well to attend the conference. I look forward to meet you all next week and also to attend your presentation and hopefully to interact with you, and see you on September 7th.